In this video, I will share 8 ways to get rid of toenail fungus. 1. Strengthen your immune system. A weakened immune system leads to infections and developing fungus. Take an over-the-counter multivitamins to strengthen your immunity. For severe cases, get a prescription medication. 2. Exercise. Because your feet has less blood circulation as compared to other parts of the body, daily exercise can improve the flow of blood as well as your immune system. You can also use Vaseline or petroleum jelly to massage your toes and feet. 3. Tea tree oil. It is as effective as applying cream for relieving athlete's foot. 4. Apply garlic. You can apply garlic as it contains antifungal compound AON and has been shown to be effective against a number of fungal infections, including athlete's foot. 5. Stop sharing. Do not share shoes, as it is prone to infection. Even avoid sharing towels and bath mats. Also, disinfect pedicure tools. 6. Don't walk barefoot. Avoid walking barefoot in places like locker rooms, swimming pools, communal showers, or public places, as it can also be a reason to develop fungus. Make sure you keep your toes dry, especially between your toes. Use commercial antifungal cream to protect your feet. 7. Vinegar solution. You can even soak your feet in the vinegar solution. Experts have recommended mixing 1 part of vinegar with 2 parts water and soaking your feet for about 30 minutes in it. 8. Don't use nail polish. Do not wear on nail paints, as they even worsen the situation. It may seem to be a helpful way to hide infection or toenail fungus, but actually it can trap moisture against the nail. Do you know any other way to get rid of toenail fungus? Share in the comments below.